Hello wonderful viewers, welcome to Basic Maths with Master Jude. Today let's solve this question. This question says arrange 0.375% 4/5 in descending order. What is descending order? Descending order means arranging a number from the highest number to the lowest number. Let's say from 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5 to the lowest number. Now before we do that, the first we need to do is to change 75% in decimal form, 4/5 in decimal form. Now let's start with 75%. If we are doing 75%, now 75% is in percentage, and percentage means expressing a number in 100. So 75% is same as telling you 75 over 100. Now look for a number that can divide 75 and 100 simultaneously. 5 in 75 is 15. 5 in 100 will give me 20. Now 5 can still go between 15 and 20. 5 in 15 is 3, while 5 in 20 is 4. So this is 3/4. Now we're going to change 3/4 in decimal form. So let's use the long division method. You draw your shape. Now the 4, which is the denominator, is always outside, that is the divisor, while the numerator, which is 3 in this case, will be inside. Now can 4 go into 3? No. You put your 0, you add your point, then you add a 0 to 3, becomes 30. 4 in 30 is 7. You write the 7 up here. 7 multiplied 4 is 28. Then you now subtract. 30 minus 28 will give us 2. Can 4 go into 2? No. You add a 0 here, you add another 0 to 2, it becomes 20. 4 in 20 will give me 5. 5 times 4 is 20. 20 minus 20 will give me what? 0. So if I change 75% in decimal, it will be 0.75. Now let's come and change 4/5 in decimal form. Now 4/5, you bring down 4/5. Now using the long division method, I'll draw my shape. Remember I told you the denominator is always outside, which is referred to as the divisor, while the numerator is inside. Now 5 in 4, it cannot, because 5 is bigger than 4. So you put your 0 up here, you add your decimal point, then you add your 0 to 4, it becomes 40. 5 in 40 is 8. 8 multiply 5 will give me 40. Then I will subtract. 40 minus 40 will give me what? 0. So 4/5 in decimal form is 0.8. Now from here, now look at what we'll do. You bring down 0.3. 75% in decimal form is 0.75. While 4/5 in decimal form is 0.8. How do you know the biggest number here? You consider the first number after the decimal point. From here, we can know the biggest number. In this case, we have 8 here. So 0.8 is the biggest number, followed by what? 0.75. Then the least number here is what? 0.3. So if you're arranging my answer now, it will be 4/5, 75%, then 0.3. This is in descending order. Thank you for having me. Bye-bye.